Digital marketers, there were 4 things that were crippling my business. As soon as I fixed them, my business rocketed to the moon. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix those in this video. Make sure you like and save this video because you're going to want to stick around to the very end of it, because I'm going to give you a bonus tip so you can be in the best position that you need to be in your business. If you don't know me, I'm Nicholas Francis, aka Mr. Millionaire Insight. I help people establish, grow, and monetize their social media. Monetization equals money. So if you want to monetize your social media, follow me and turn on post notifications so you know when I go live and when I post a video. Let's get into it. Number 4, by far the most important, is mindset. Why am I giving you a mindset first? It's like every other digital coach on here, business guru, whatever it is, says mindset, but they're not wrong. What you think about is what you attract. What you believe about yourself is what you attract, what you become, right? Such as a man thinks, so is he, right? That's why mindset is so important. So that's one of the biggest issues in the beginning when I started in business, online or offline, that I had to fix. At least twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, you need to be doing something every day to get yourself, your mind, your heart, and your soul, you are improving yourself on those levels every single day. Reading books, watching video, whatever it is, you need to find a rhythm in working on your mind, body, and spirit. Because if you don't, your business goes nowhere. Number 3, disregarding your journey and your story. I don't know why creators do this, why business owners do this. They don't think that their story is worth telling. They don't think what they've been through, the things they have survived, the things they have overcome is worth sharing with the world. But that is one of the major ways people will connect with you. And you cannot keep dismissing you in your business, right? Because it's your business. So if you want people to know, find common ground with you, and to trust you, you have to start sharing your journey, because it's not just about the money that you will make. If you haven't already started, it's about what that money does for you and your family and for those around you. Number 2, thinking your previous attained knowledge and skills are irrelevant. That's a lie from the pit of hell. Why? Because God allowed you to gain that knowledge, gain that wisdom, gain that training for something or for someone. Because again, the triumphs and the trials that you've had are not just for you. God is not being mean to you. He is educating you, building character in you, so he can then use those things to help build other people. Life is about building. Life is about connection. Life is about community. So those things, those skill sets that you've learned literally will inform somebody's life and help them survive and thrive. And they will see hope in what you've learned and what you've attained in your lifetime. Number 1 is the most vital part of this process. Not applying the knowledge and just assimilating. What do I mean by assimilation? Just taking in videos, taking in articles or whatever it is, constantly on the learning track. Am I saying that you shouldn't learn? Absolutely not. Am I saying that you shouldn't be on Zooms and masterminds and all these different things, go to conferences and all these different things? No, I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is too many of us spend time just learning and not applying, not putting into practice the things that we learned in order to be able to move our business forward. We spend so much time in the classroom and we spend little time actually implementing the things that we need to implement to bring the success to our business that we need. What we have to realize is the rub is not in the knowledge and the modules and the classrooms and the Zooms and all these different things. It's not just in the resources, it's in you actually applying those, right? Think about when you were a kid riding a bike. You've seen people riding a bike all your life before you ever got one, right? But until you actually got on that bike, put your foot on the pedals and went out there and did bad and fell down and rolled around and actually learn to balance yourself and learn to ride. You got to feel the excitement, even though you felt the anxiety of learning how to ride that bike, but you got to the point where you mastered the skill set, and even to this day you still haven't forgotten it. It's no different in business. Now for the bonus tip. The bonus tip is not having your business automated. Automations have literally taken my business from 15% automated to 95% automated. What does that mean? Whether it's 4 o'clock in the evening or 4 o'clock in the morning, people need to be able to find your business, find value in you and what you have to offer, your brand, your business, find something that they want to purchase, and then go ahead and make that purchase and go on about their day. You need to create something, a process, a system that people can move through to get to know you, find common ground with you, and trust you so that transaction can happen at any time of the day, even while you're sleeping. Because if you don't, you will consistently be at the grindstone with your hands on the wheel for your business to move forward. And the wealthy people, the successful people on the planet know the best way to be uber successful is to have a duplicatable and an automated system to run your business for you while you are doing the things you love to do with those you love. If any of this was valuable to you, make sure you follow me and turn on post notifications. And if you want to know the system, the processes, and the academy that I started to help people start an online business, launch an online business, and scale an online business, get the information right now by putting freedom in the comments, and I would love to show you how.